Hi everybody, let's make this very creative piggy bank. First we are going to cut a circle using bottle cap and fit the cap like this. Now paste all the cardboard pieces together. Now we are going to make the wheel using these cardboard shapes and put all of them like this, and it's ready. In this video, we are going to make this cute little piano. So cut the shape from the cardboard. Now we are going to paste all of them like this using hot glue gun, and it's ready. We are going to make the frame of the piano like this. Make its lid like we are doing here, and we are also making its legs like this. After this, we are going to make the lid like this, and now we are going to add this keyboard inside it, and look, it is ready. Let's make this bicycle using cardboard. We are going to cut these wheels and then paste all of them using hot glue gun. Now we are going to cover it with the wavy portion of the cardboard like this. Make a hole in the center and put a straw inside it. Fix it using hot glue gun. We are also putting these bamboo sticks like this. Now we are going to make the handle and seat of the bicycle like this using these bamboo sticks, and we are also putting straws like this. Now we are going to combine all of them, and look, your bicycle is ready. Let's make this game at home. So take an empty box and put pieces around it. You can also paste a cloth clip and add more details like this, and look, put a ball and your game is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.